Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little demo slash review on the Curlsmith diffuser. I picked it up at Ulta and I am excited to show you guys how it worked. I'm gonna be using this Shea Moisture Leave-In. I did my makeup today and, inspired by fall, smoky eyes, but I don't know. I haven't done makeup like this in a while and I feel like it's too much. Yo no sé. I'm gonna take my comb and detangle. My towel is in the way today because of my jumpsuit. It has like a collar. And now my gel, which is almost out, we're gonna take my Wetline Extreme Gel. And finger comb. Finger comb first. And the last thing I'm gonna take this Kenra Heat Protectant. So we're gonna first use this big bowl. It's the size of my head. Okay, so these are the results for today's video. I am really happy with how my hair turned out today. I'm going to start out with the big bowl attachment, and this attachment is really light. I was a little intimidated by it, but yeah, looks are deceiving. It's super light and it doesn't make the blow dryer heavier. That's what I was a little bit scared about, especially because my arm is not 100% right now. It's in pain. So yeah, the size of this, because it's so big, it covers more of your hair. As you can see, like it covers bigger sections. So you will dry your hair faster. If you don't want to cause any frizz, the airflow on this, I feel like is really good to dry your hair with this piece without causing frizz in your hair. But I did try out the other pieces for you guys. I tried this one, and this one did cause some frizz, as it would. but it definitely helped speed up the drying process for me. So I just added a little bit of gel when I finished doing my hair. And then the last piece, this piece right here, is meant to add volume. I didn't use it for adding volume because I don't like to add extra volume in my hair. I like to leave my hair on the first day of styling it like not big because it's gonna get bigger throughout the week. That's just how curly hair is. So yeah, I don't want to add any more volume, but if you have fine hair, then you might find this piece useful. And you're supposed to just like, I guess, use it as a pick or whatever. I mean, when I'm done drying my hair, I do fluff out my hair. Ow. With my hands, but yeah, no, I don't. I don't think this little piece is a piece that I'd use. But yeah, that's the end of my video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.